The accelerated death of the headphone port on many flagship smartphones, increased usage and prevalence of Bluetooth earbuds such as the Pixel Buds, means that finding accessories and extras is becoming a minefield. We're going to simplify that process with our dedicated accessory guide for wireless audio. Thanks for watching 9to5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. Unfortunately, unless you spend an exorbitant amount of money on your headphones or earbuds, you often won't get high quality earbud tips. Yes, you may get a few extras as part of your accessories pack within the packaging of your Bluetooth buds, although if you want to elevate your experience, in some cases exponentially, then it's worthwhile picking up some premium earbud tips. Often in the packaging of your earbuds, such as the Pixel Buds, you get a few sizes of cheap, thin silicone tips that just do the job. Our advice is to spend a little more money and get some higher quality options from the likes of Comply. We've chosen these as they conform to standard sizing. This means that even in a case, they should fit perfectly on your Bluetooth earbuds. There's also the added bonus: with higher quality earbud tips, your Bluetooth listening experience may be improved or elevated thanks to better isolation. If you find that your earbuds fall out or won't stay in your ears either, some added earbud tips are a great purchase for an overall improved fit. Okay, so not all wireless earbuds can be charged wirelessly, but a heck of a lot are starting to add the option. When you can just stick your earbud case down and top up without needing to dig out a charge cable, it becomes really apparent just how much neater and convenient it is in this form factor. For those with the Pixel Buds, Galaxy Buds or AirPods, a wireless charger is a must-have in terms of extra accessories. Those with the Pixel 5 or Samsung Galaxy device can simply use the awesome reverse wireless charging feature to achieve the same feat, but a cheap dedicated wireless charger for your earbuds is a great gift idea. You can pick up a Qi compatible wireless charger for as low as $12 from the likes of Anker and Spigen. They are exceptionally well made, safe and reliable too. You're probably rocking a case for your smartphone already, so why not do the same for your earbuds? Because obviously most earbud cases are smaller and get thrown into bags, purses and pockets, then you can pick up some notable scars of daily use and abuse. This makes a carry case or protective case one of the best accessories for your Pixel Buds or any other Bluetooth earbuds for that matter. Unfortunately, there aren't that many options available out there from reputable brands. Sure, you can go out and pick up a cheap $3 silicone cover, but that might not provide much in the way of protection. Spigen makes some notable slipcase options for around $18 that include a carabiner clip so that you can strap your Pixel Buds to your bag or within your bag so that you don't lose them quite as easily, and they also protect your headphones long term. Earbuds themselves should really be cleaned quite often, especially as with heavy wear and abuse, you get gunk and dirt buildup that simply you don't want to be putting in your ear canal. The popularity of Apple's own AirPods means that you can pick up dedicated cleaning kits and accessories for the Pixel Buds and other branded earbuds out there. Getting granular though, you can build a cleaning kit for yourself with an alcohol cleaning spray, microfiber cloth, foam swabs, dust blower, soft cleaning brush and cotton swabs. That's all you'll need as a kit to help give your earbuds a full deep clean on a regular basis. There are some dedicated earbud cleaning kits that come with all of the extras, starting in or around $8, but most of those don't include a dust blower, which can help you clear away debris without damaging the earbuds themselves, for under $5. Of course, you're not always able to give your earbuds a full deep clean when you're out and about. It's just not viable to carry around all of the accoutrements and extras to ensure that your audio is clean, clear and concise. With COVID-19 still being a real everyday concern, you're likely already following an increased hand washing protocols and procedures. A great way to make sure that you're not plugging dirt, grime, bacteria and germs into your ear canal is to pick up some alcohol cleaning pads. It's one of the first Pixel Buds or earbud accessories that I carry around with me in my wallet. Just being able to give each bud, the case and my phone a quick wipe has been a nice safety net when heading out and keeping my earbuds clean. These portable disposable alcohol pads are a great option as they can just slide into your pocket and cost very little for an extra sanitization bonus for your Pixel Buds or any other tech for that matter. So that is just a few core accessories that might enhance your earbud experience or Pixel Buds above where they are right now. Of course, you'll find links to each and everything we featured down in the description below. And if you have any of your own, what are your favourite earbuds or headphones and accessories? Be sure to let us know down in the comments section below. But until next time, this is Damien with 9to5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.